Hello viewers, here is a King of Fians or Queen of Fians spinner sealing Fian in the antique brass, made in the Taiwan, probably sometime in the 80s. It's 3-speed reversible lock rotor, so it's probably impedance protected. American engineered, but still not made in America for some reason. Warm temperature, low speed reverse for winter, cool temperature, low speed forward. Okay, so it says use it on forwards in the summer, reverse in the winter, and low. I don't know what the heck the model number is. I don't see it anywhere on this thing. Antique brass, stencil, oak blades. Like a polished brass with can, but that's not what appeared. This is what appeared, so this is what I got. I don't know what the model number is. Anyways, I'm finna put this in the computer room tomorrow, so I want to do kind of like a preliminary checkout here just to make sure that it's in satisfactory condition, because you never know what you're gonna get with this new old stock stuff. Sometimes it's been sitting in a closet, temperature controlled, for the last 40 years, no problem, with perfect condition. Other times you get these things, they've been in a basement with moisture, they've been in an attic, 140 degrees, summer, 10 degrees, winter, bearings is shot, finishes destroyed. You never know. So before I plan to put this in there, let's open this up and make sure that everything looks like it's okay. This kind of has to slide out horizontally, perhaps. It's a huge motor. Alright, let's see what we got here. We have a warranty card, only a 10-year warranty, and we have the assembly diagram. Oh, it's a J-hook. This is probably pretty old then. No, it ain't. It's a ball and socket. That thing's still crazy. Alright, so we got... This thing is going to move some serious air. These blades is huge, and so is the motor. And the pitch is steep. Wow. This is really going to move the air around. It's good. That's what I need in that computer room. It gets hot in there. Okay, we got all the screws here. Nice wood pull chain fob, the screws, everything looks good there. Blades are flat, not warped at all. Stencil looks good. The main concern is going to be the bearings. That down rod, is that short? Jeez. I think it should be longer than that. I was thinking going to get in the wear over it. It only comes with one down rod? Awfully concerning. That's so short. What the heck? It's not being installed on a 2-foot ceiling. Jeez. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Huh, it's silent. Well, I think we're in luck. Should be good. Now that's odd. The screws are on the bottom. The picture there on the top, it goes, they got screws for it to go on the top and the bottom. Well, I guess you get a little more air if you put it on the bottom. It'll look better on the top. That's funny. Not in a good way though. Why is it like that? I guess they want you to put the blades on the bottom. Huh. That's kind of weird. Because the picture shows it on the top, and I would think that they should be on the top. That would look more normal. Plus you got these screws there. Nah, you can't be putting that on the bottom. Oh, unless it goes like that. Is that how it's supposed to go? That's weird. That's funny. Funny me in here. I think it should be on the top. It's gonna move more air on the bottom, I guess, but that's weird. Huh. Well, should it go on the top or the bottom? It's gonna look weird if it's on the bottom. I guess I'll put it on the bottom. I mean, that's not the way it looked in the picture. I guess I'll wait and decide after I hang it up, because I gotta see how low it's gonna be from the ceiling. You know, but this down rod is so short. It's gonna be hanging in here. Okay, like this. The stinking blades is gonna be like, I don't know, 5 inches off the ceiling. If they're down here, they're gonna move more air. That's a good, maybe 2 inches it's gonna gain by putting them on the bottom. I have to make that call when I put it up. I gotta see what it look like. I gotta see how close it is to the ceiling. I always knew these as top mounts, but I guess it could be either one. Provisions is there. The hose is threaded. It goes in just fine. I don't know, that's weird. That's really weird. What's that paper? Where's that paper show? Doesn't show where they go. Yo, just purchased one of the finest quality ceiling fans made in the world. That's an awfully extensive claim. Blade should be attached to the motor housing after it's hung in place. It don't say if it should go on the top or the bottom. They're saying this fan is provided with either ball and socket or double J-hook mount.
Do I have any fans that kind of rod? I am not liking how short this rod is. I think that SMC fan over there is
the same size. It's a small rod. It's 3/4, I guess. Attach the fan in on the brackets. Okay. Some bearing noise and a burning odor at high speed. Oh, I don't think that's normal. Simply curing of the varnish. Be patient. The odor will disappear in a few days and never reappear. Okay. Don't say anything about how the blade should be on the top or the bottom. Well, I don't know. That's weird. Cosmetically, I think they should be on the top, but performance-wise, they probably should be on the bottom. But I think it's going to look funny with it on the bottom. It ain't going to look right. Why is the stinking rod so short? Alright, I'm getting agitated. I'm just going to put this back. And the bearings look good, and they sound good, they feel good, so I'm very happy about that. That was my concern about this, was the bearings not going to be okay, but they seem to be okay. So, I'm going to go through and hang this up tomorrow. Just got to figure out what to do about the blades, where they ought to go. Very odd. Very, very odd. Figure this out tomorrow. It's not an issue for tonight, it's getting late. Alright, so it looks okay. I'm a little bit confused, but it looks okay.